Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy caramel candy. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need sugar, corn syrup, butter, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have a reliable candy thermometer and a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Also, prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper and buttering it thoroughly. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's start cooking. In your heavy saucepan, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and a small amount of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to cook undisturbed until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This initial stage creates the foundation for your delicious caramel. Next, in a separate small saucepan, gently warm your heavy cream and butter until the butter is melted and the mixture is hot, but not boiling. Carefully and slowly pour this warm cream mixture into your sugar syrup, stirring constantly. Continue to cook the entire mixture over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until it reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect chewy texture. Once your caramel reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Carefully pour the hot caramel into your prepared 8x8-inch pan. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight. Once firm, lift it out, cut into 1-inch squares, and wrap each piece in wax paper. Enjoy your homemade chewy caramels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.